Is the Backup Now button grayed out in iTunes? Don't worry, we will show you how to fix the iTunes Backup Now grayed out issue in this video. Fix 1. Check the USB connection. First, check to see if the USB cable connecting your iPhone to your computer is working right. It's best to use the USB data cord that came with your iPhone because Backup Now grayed out in iTunes might happen if you use a different cable. If you are sure the USB connection works, you can try plugging it into a different USB port. Fix 2. Restart the iPhone and computer. Try restarting both iPhone and computer and then attempting the backup again to see if the problem of iTunes Backup grayed out is resolved. To restart iPhone, Step 1. Press and hold the power and volume buttons at the same time until a slider appears on your screen. Step 2. Then, slide the switch to turn off your device. Step 3. Press and hold the power button again after a short break to turn it back on. To restart the Windows computer, Step 1. First press the Windows button and then press the power button. Step 2. Click Restart to send the PC back to the beginning. To restart the Mac computer, Step 1. Select Restart from the Apple menu. Step 2. To finish, click Restart one more time to make sure. Fix 3. Update the iOS software. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Find General and tap on it. Step 3. Press the Software Update button. Your iPhone will check if there are any updates available. Step 4. If there is an update, you will see Download and Install as a choice. To start getting the update, tap on it. Fix 4. Update the iTunes. You can fix this iTunes error by getting the latest version of iTunes. For a Windows PC, Step 1. Launch iTunes, then select Check for Updates from the Help menu. Step 2. Click on Download iTunes if there is a new update possible. For a Mac, Step 1. Go to the App Store first and then to the Updates area. Step 2. If there are updates available for iTunes, click Install to get them. Fix 5. Contact Apple support. It's best to get help from Apple's official support team if you've tried all of the above solutions and still can't fix the problem. They will give you more detailed advice or solutions to help you solve your problem.